Good morning. How are you doing? It's been a week since we did the MS Gel manicure, so let's see how my nails have fared. And this is the shiny top coat. Still looks shiny. Got a little tip wear, just a little bit, but that's not surprising for me because I do a lot of work outside in the summer and I work in the garden and my nails tend to chip, but these have not chipped. Alright, here's my left hand, which I used the matte top coat on. I didn't use the matte top coat on my thumb though, that's shiny top coat. Maybe a little less matte than when I first did it, but they still look matte, they still look good, not chipped at all. A little bit of tip wear, but like I said, that's very normal for me. After wearing this manicure for a week, I have realized that all of them I really like, but this is probably my favorite I put on my thumb, which was that H whatever one, that shimmery pink. So I've been tending to look at my thumb a lot. But that's my thoughts on it. But don't cook out, 'cause I might, do more interesting stuff in this video, like brush my teeth. Now, let me show you the other project I've been working on. Okay, so my mom's birthday's coming up, so I wanted to make her something, with the help of my sister, of course, because she can draw really well. My mom just recently refinished one of her dressers, and she made it white and gold. She used some of this gold paint, little art for her to put on top of it. Of course, Dollar Tree only had silver frames. And of course, we're going for gold theme, so I'm going to paint the frame, and then inside the frame, we're going to put a picture. Me and my sister are going to talk about it. I thought maybe like Jesus or something like that. She'll draw it, and then I'll paint it, and then we'll put it in there for her, paint the frame. So yeah, I got a little DIY project going here.
Took a little break from my DIY project to go out to the garden to get some beans, and while I was in the garden, I heard a terrible sound of a poor hummingbird stuck in one of those burr-wee thingies. Me and my sister got its wings and its feet loose that were stuck in the burr plant. Of course, they were bloody, his feet, his poor little feet. But the great news is, the second we got him unstuck, he flew away like nothing happened, probably just with some sore feet. Of course, I didn't vlog any of this because I put the camera down and me and my sister saved the bird. But my sister did snap a picture of him so you guys could see him. Isn't he so cute? Now sometimes when we go out to the garden, he kind of does like a little flyby. We kind of see him every now and then, so I named him Daniel. Today I did not expect to save a hummingbird from a weed.
I believe what I'm doing. I'm going through my clothes. Look at them. I'm in a sea of clothes. I guess you can't really see them.
Look at my closet. It's all cleared out. Hold on, let me turn the light on. There we go. Look at it. Look at it. I took all the clothes off the rack up there and I organized these two shelves up here. I don't know if you can see them. The lights are blinded. I gotta put the clothes that I'm gonna keep back up on my pole. It's not actually a closet pole. It's a piece of pipe. What is it called? What's it called? PVC pipe. PVC pipe right there. Two of them actually. Yeah. Donate pile. Basically, I'm going through my clothes, getting rid of the ones that don't fit me and I don't want. This manicure just reminds me of candy. Anyways, I keep getting distracted by these nails. Like this cardigan right here. I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep it, so I was like, why don't I try to make an outfit with it? And then that will be the deciding factor. So I put it with this sub shirt because I really like the red, white, and blue. I think it looks good. And then like maybe with a jean skirt or something. I don't know. But I haven't done this in a while, so yeah. I'm going to try to make some outfits out of some more pieces of clothing. Ta-da! I got my clothes all organized and my outfits put together. I'm very happy with the way that it turned out. Also, I got all my winter clothes, which are up there. Let me just kind of block the blinding closet lights. You can see up there. So, when it's different seasons, I can just switch them out. Oh yeah. It is so satisfying when you go through your clothes and you know you made headway and now you got awesome outfits to wear as a result. And you have more room. Of course. I wanted to do a follow-up on the shelves because I talked about them so much in my other vlog. And then we went to Dollar Tree and we got all those lights, so I wanted to show you where I put them. First up is my Animal Crossing shelf. Put on the shelf the Dollar Tree peach lights because in my town in Animal Crossing Newly, I had peaches, so I thought that went with it. And then I put Raisin Cyrus and Retail. And then I kind of put some other animals and other kind of houses, kind of mimic Animal Crossing. I turned on the little light inside of Retail on in the heart-shaped door there. Onto this shelf. I used the Dollar Tree pineapple lights for this shelf. I put some greenery, the Lady of Guadalupe, and I put my 3DS games, my Amiibo. And if you guys remember the shelf up above my filming wall, I wanted to make it more of a heaven-themed shelf, like Our Lady of the Angels picture. An angel, a well, we all know heaven has a well, and white horses because white horses are always depicted in heaven. Also hanged on the little white brackets, the Dollar Tree lights that we got. Kind of pink washed them. I don't know why they keep flipping over. Flip back over. Here we go. Also, I put up the dragonfly Dollar Tree lights and the butterfly Dollar Tree lights. I hanged them up above my closet, I was about to say. My window. I hanged them up above my window. I think they look nice. Here, let me turn the light off. That's what they look like. I think they look really good. So that's what that looks like. That's what that looks like. It looks really good. There's the pineapple lights. And there's my window. For our journey to continue together, you must click right here. You'll probably see me on a different day wearing a different shirt.